So, hello everyone. So, today we'll see how to draw Will Smith caricature. So, it's very simple. So, stick to me till the end of the video. So, start from the middle of a page. Simple. I'm drawing with a pen. You can either use any pencil or whatever you like. So, a greater than sign. Okay. We are starting from the nose. This will be the nose base. A slight curve. This will be the right nostril. And yes, here's the nostril is covered. Okay, so the same level from here to here we will draw left nostril. Same level at right nostril. So here it will be a curve. Okay, above this curve another less than equals to sign like this. Okay, same here. Just draw it simply. Okay, then below the nose base, lips start with a little V shape. Okay, like this. Another V shape like this, and the upper lip will go little up and down like this. Same here, little up and down. You have to be gentle with the curves. Okay, these are curves, not straight line, so draw them properly. Join them at last. Okay, so as we know in caricature, when we draw teeth, we draw large teeth. Okay, so lower lip will be a slight bit lower. Okay, like this. And lower lip will be thick, unlike upper lip which is thin. So first we'll draw the base and then these curves. Okay, so our nose and lips are ready. Now it's time for the teeth. So just like this, draw a simple line. From right side upward facing curve, from left side upward facing curve. Cover them with downward facing curve like this. These are the two big center teeth. Okay, now comes two small teeth. Upper part is downward facing curve, lower part, and now this upper part is a downward facing curve like this. This should be at level. Okay, now here we go to the vampire teeth. It will be like a V shape, little bit pointy. Don't make it too pointy, otherwise you will make Will Smith a part of Vampire Diaries. Lame jokes. Premolars, and here are the molars. Okay, now it's time for the lower teeth. So lower teeth will be also in the same geometry. Okay, upward facing curve, another teeth. Okay, you can fill the gap between upper teeth and lower teeth with just your pen or pencil, like cross hatching or anything you like. You can just fill them up like this. Okay, so what we are going to do now is we will do some mustache. Okay, simple strokes, slightly curved. Okay, not straight lines but slightly curved strokes from nose to all the way till here. Okay, same on the right side. Strokes, they are curved. Okay, don't mistake them for straight curves. They are slightly curved strokes. Okay, like this. So draw some cheeks here, some cheeks here, right cheek. Okay, they should be nearly at a level. Okay, there can be a slight difference, but it should not be a huge difference. Okay, so now we will go to the mouth part. Okay, first we will draw hairs between below the lower lip. So make oval shape, like spiral shape, from small to big at center, and then again small at end. Now make a semicircle, okay? Semicircle like this. This should be the base. From here to here. Okay, this will be the chin. So we will join this to the chin. Now it's time for mustache connecting to the beard. It will be like this, ovals. Okay, we are just trying to do a simple caricature, okay, not some like realistic sketch. That's why we are not making every single hair. We are just doing ovals and circles in this shape. Okay, from here we will also come ovals, and here we go. We need there's a lot of empty space here which is not looking good, so we will add another layer of ovals. Okay, here they can overlap the lower ovals, no problem. Just try to make it clean, okay? Don't make it messy. So here we go with the lower part. Okay, from cheeks to here will come some curve, L shape. From here to here also will come some L shape type. Okay, now we will draw eyes. Eyes should be at this level. Okay, so first we'll draw the eye covering like this, right eye. Same shape will follow, and it will be joined by a curve. Don't make eyes too big, otherwise you will make a Will Smith staring at you. We just need a smiley, happy Will Smith. You can fill the iris in the pupil. Okay, a little bit of cross hatching here, a little bit of cross hatching here, some curved strokes below the eye and at right of an eye. Okay, at the same level there should be the left eye. Okay, at this level it should be like this. And if you want to learn how to draw like portraits in like 2 months of time, you just need a little bit of crash course from basic to intermediate, you can contact me. Okay, I'll teach you. So here we go, a little bit of curve here. Okay, some cross hatching here, some cross hatching here. Okay, so here we go with the eyes part. Now it's time for face shape. Okay, so from eyes we will draw a right facing curve like this, and another right facing curve which will join these cheeks. Okay, not cheeks, cheeks. Sorry, my bad. Cheeks. We will do cheeks like these. Now it's time for the jawline of Will Smith, and you will draw this. Okay, same goes for here. Here we will not draw fancy curves like these. Here we will just draw a simple curve, a straight simple line, slightly curved line, not a straight line. Okay, and here we will draw a downward facing curve for the jawline, and we will curve it upward like this. Okay, simply we'll draw. We have completed the lower part, eyes, nose, lips, teeth, etc. Now it's just for the forehead, the big forehead. Okay, so here goes slightly curved lines. Okay, here goes slightly curved lines. This should be at the level. Okay, they should be at the level. It will be curved from upside like this. And we just need to draw ears now. Okay, ears and hairs. So ears will be from like this level, from here to here. You can mark from here to here. Okay, so like this ears will go. Now it will go down, then flat, then up, a little bit of curve here, and it will join it. Okay, don't make ears too wide. Okay, like Will Smith has this face and this much elephant-like ears. No, we don't need elephant-like ears on Will Smith. We are happy with his normal ears. Okay, So you can do a little bit of cross hatching here, a little bit of cross hatching here, just to make it like you have filled some part. We are not just leaving everything empty. Same ear should be at this level. From here it will go a downward facing curve. Okay, from this level, the earring he wears, okay, and it will join this curve. Another downward facing curve, right facing curve, here we go. Okay, now we are just drawing hairs. Okay, so hairs are just outline of this forehead. They are curved. From here they will go like this. Okay, from here they will go like this. So how to shade hairs? We will draw circles. Okay, like how like we drew ovals here, we will draw circles. Okay, like these. Okay, first layer of circle, circles, because Will Smith has curly hairs, except in Aladdin, in which he was bald. Okay, now what are we missing? Yes, you are correct, we are missing eyebrows. So nothing, just simple curves. Okay, try to maintain a good shape in eyebrows. It will go like this. Okay, and then left eyebrows in the same level from here to here. Okay, from this level to this level. Okay, now we'll draw some neck. Here's the neck, here's the V shape, and you can do some cross hatching from in this part like this, in this part like this, slightly like this, same in this part. And in lips, if you want, you can do cross hatching like this, upward facing curves, right? Upward strokes on the lower lips, and then something like horizontal strokes. So you can do the same on the upper lip. Just try to make the sketch clean. Okay, just try to make the sketch clean and just sign it, and here you go. Your Will Smith caricature is ready. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.